Hey guys, welcome to Joyoshare iOS channel. Today, we'll show you how to fix iPhone green screen with 5 beneficial tips. First, force restart iPhone as usual. Although this is a conventional solution, it can solve many iOS problems effectively. Second, iPhone green screen issue are usually led by the wrong display features on iPhone. So you need to make adjustments like brightness, true tone, and other relevant options. Then, quickly remedy the problem by removing background running apps as running too many applications at the same time make us iPhone screen to green. Fourth, at sometimes, resetting iPhone settings to default settings can get your broken iPhone back to normal. The ultimate and most effective way is using a mighty iOS system recovery like Joyoshare UltFix. With this tool, you can fix your iPhone via easy steps without data loss. Connect your iPhone to computer and click Enter Recovery Mode and Start Options. Then choose Standard Mode and click Next. Check your iPhone information and download freeware package. Now click Repair to start the repair process. Open your iPhone after the repair and you will find that your iPhone turns to normal. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and smash that like button. I'll see you next time.